Self-clean pyrolytic ovens have changed the landscape in oven design and technology. The BMOP12 has full and eco pyrolytic settings. Just set and the oven reaches high enough temperatures to turn all the grime to ash that can be simply wiped away. The oven features stylish black glass with a stainless steel handle and easy to use retractable controls, which give a modern, streamlined look. An electronic thermostat and programmer maintains the internal oven temperature for excellent cooking results and helps you plan cooking times. The large 81-litre capacity interior makes cooking for a crowd easy, whilst 10 available cooking functions provide the flexibility to meet all your cooking requirements. A unique 3D cooking function allows you to cook different dishes at the same time with consistent results. Utilising all the elements as well as the fan, the food can be cooked with maximum efficiency, saving time and energy. Ideal for roasts and pastries. Fan force technology ensures even heat distribution and faster cooking times. And a pizza function will have your crust crisp on the bottom and your topping perfect, just like the real thing. A keep warm function is an added bonus for cooking, planning and delivery. The telescopic runner makes it easy and safe to turn, baste or taste whatever you are cooking. It also features a defrost function to help you hygienically thaw frozen items. The cavity cooling fan circulates ambient air to protect external components of the oven and the surrounding kitchen cabinetry. The interior is easy clean enamel and a chrome side rack system is designed for easy removal for cleaning. Standard accessories include one chrome oven shelf, a telescopic runner and 2 universal baking pans with a grill insert. The BMOP12 has a 2-year included warranty. Please ask about our 5-year warranty when purchased as a package. Baumatic Appliances have been distributed in more than 40 countries worldwide for over 20 years. Baumatic, the perfect partner.